Welcome to my students. Myself Rathiranjan Behera. I am a lecturer in chemistry of Nalanda Vidya Mandir Plus 2 Science College, Berhampur. This is my second class. Last class I will discuss about to the unit of concentration. In the second class I will discuss about to the solubility and vapor pressure. Let's start with the solubility. First I am discussing kariba what is the solubility. Let's it takes to the a vessel. It contain to the any solvent. And the solute can be added. The solute can be added in the solvent, and small amount of solute can be added in the solvent. Thus, the solute is dissolved to solvent. This process is called dissolution. In case the large amount of solute is dissolved in solvent and to form a saturated solution. In case the saturated solution form, this process is called solubility. For the dissolution process, it forms to unsaturated solution. So clear, what is the solubility? The amount of the maximum amount of solute that can be dissolved a particular volume at given temperature. So clear, what is the solubility? The maximum amount of solute can dissolve in a particular volume at given temperature. No doubt also temperature can likely monochrome solubility is vary with the temperature. In case temperature high, the solubility also increases. The low temperature, solubility decreases. Clear, what is the solubility? Next, what is the process of crystallization? In case of the saturated solution, it can be separated the solid particles and the solid and solvent. This process crystallization. Clear? The next is what is the factors of the solubility? Factors of the solubility. The first factor is it depends on the nature of solute and solvent. The first factor depends to the solute or solvent. In case like polar molecules of solvent and polar molecules of solvent. For example, polar molecule H2O and the solute NaCl. The NaCl is completely soluble in water molecules. But another, in case of non-polar molecules dissolved to polar molecules, there is no soluble in H2O. Next, the non-polar molecules is dissolved non-polar molecules. For example, benzene is dissolved tetrachloroethane CCl4. It is clear alla same substance completely soluble. Different substance polar only soluble, non-polar soluble. For example, benzene से NaCl soluble. There is no soluble in benzene plus NaCl because the benzene is non-polar molecules, NaCl is polar molecules. Next, H2O is dissolved to CCl4. There is no soluble in H2O and CCl4 because the H2 is polar molecules, the CCl4 is non-polar molecules. The same substance can be soluble in the solubility. Clear? Next factor. Second factor, temperature. Starting from coily, the temperature is largely affected on the solubility. Temperature is largely affected on the solubility. Undergo temperature at high thibo solubility increases. In case exothermic reaction, what is the exothermic reaction? Exothermic reaction tomar kon hoche heat evolved, and endothermic reaction heat absorbed. So according to Le Chatelier's principle, the exothermic heat evolved at low temperature. The reaction is forward direction, and endothermic reaction, the heat temperature is high, the reaction is forward direction. So same case, it kon hobo exothermic reaction to kon karti low temperature. Low temperature kon kon solubility increases, but endothermic reaction tomorrow high temperature re solubility increases. Undergo point undergo exothermic reaction re low temperature solubility increases, endothermic reaction re high temperature solubility increases. The third factor, pressure. There is no affected of solubility of solid and liquid. Any solid, the solubility of solid in liquid, there is no affected. For example, NaCl is dissolved to water. At the pressure at the higher solubility is not affected. But in case the gaseous substance or the solubility of gas in liquid, it is not affected. But the solubility of solid in liquid way is not affected. But in case of gaseous solubility of gas in liquid, it is affected on pressure. Why? Good example hoche manor vessel niya, vessel re mu isi solvent nele plus gaseous substance add kali. Eti tomar particles thila W1 particles. Eti gote piston neju. Piston taku kon karo piston size re compress karo. compress karo, compress kale kon tom ethi W1 particles ta kon hobo, it small amount hochi W1 ta, small extent, a small amount kon hobo. In case of pressure high, the small amount is increases, the number of particles is formed, W1, W2, W3. Clear? In case of W1 particles is present in the solvent, in case pressure high, the number of particles do increases, like W1, W2, W3. And also the partial pressure also increases. PA, like P1, P2, P3. This is the partial pressure, only P1. In this case, the partial pressure increases P1, P2, P3. So ଏଇଟା କଣ ଭାବିଲା କଣ ଆମେ ପାଇଲୁ the solubility is increases the pressure high ଯେତେ ତମ pressure ବଢେଇବ solubility also increases so solubility of gas in liquid is directly proportional to partial pressure of the gas. Partial pressure of the gas. Clear? The solubility of gas in liquid directly proportional to the partial pressure of gas. जते तम partial pressure increase हबो the solubility also increases. तो तुम एटी प्रेशर भी लिख परियो प्रेशर इट कोन नंबर ऑफ प्रेशर थिबो P1 P2 थिबो एटी ऑक्सीजन गैस अछि another H2 gas अछि this is the partial pressure of oxygen gas and the partial pressure of O2 gas data pressure high dele solid also R increases R increases clear this is the Henry's law this statement is known as Henry's law Henry's law आउ कोन कहले मन रखो P1 P2 P3 आसला number of particles increase होची number of moles also increases number of moles कोन N1 N2 N3 also increases हो in number of moles increase होची ले रेडी कोन हबो mole fraction also increases तो number of moles it increase होची so also कोन it number of mole fraction भी also increases it so in definition of कोन लिख परिबा the soluble the pressure the partial pressure of the gas is directly proportional to the mole fraction of the solution or a solution. Clear? The partial pressure of the gas is directly proportional to the mole fraction of the solution. Number of particles increase above, mole fraction also increases. Due to solubility increase ale partial pressure increase hoche and also increase kon aboro mole fraction. Let mathematically partial pressure of the gas is directly proportional to mole fraction of the solution and the P is equal to KHX. What is the KH? This is the Henry's law constant. Henry's law this is the Henry's law constant. If a graph in between mole fraction and partial pressure ग्राफ टाणो तमे x एक्सिस रे मोल फ्रैक्शन नियो y एक्सिस रे पार्शियल प्रेशर नियो मुर्गो इटी डेफिनेशन कोन अछि द पार्शियल प्रेशर ऑफ गैस डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द मोल फ्रैक्शन increase ले पार्शियल प्रेशर आल्सो increases so it would कोन आसे उटे स्ट्रेट लाइन फॉर्मेशन ऑफ स्ट्रेट लाइन फॉर्मेशन हो next we will slope and turning this is the slope is equal to tan theta is equal to this is the y axis the x axis y by x so what is the y the partial pressure is equal to mole fraction what is that slope is equal to kh The Kh is equal to partial pressure P divided by X. This is the Henry's law constant. This is the ratio of the partial pressure of the gas and mole fraction of the solution. This is the Henry's law constant. Problem question आसे परीक्षा रे in case partial pressure देथिबो mole fraction देथिबो तुम Kh value बाहर करो. Simple ଗୋଟେ numerical problem आसियो pressure देथिबो and also mole fraction देथिबो. Starting କହିଥିଲି mole fraction किन बाहर करिवो in case में pressure देथिबो x रे कोन mole fraction डायरेक्ट देइ नथिबो it number of moles बाहर करिवो. Number of moles किन बाहर करिवो last class रे कहथिली the amount of solute in gram divided by molecular mass of solute. Like n sodium hydroxide पचारथिबो आर तो कोन मन amount gram देछि 2 gram divided by it in molecular mass 40. The number of moles is equal to 1 by 40. Value n1 asla next n2 बाहर करिवो n2 is equal to number of moles of the solvent. The solvent is H2O. 82 gram mana 98 gram देइछे water divided by water is equal to 18. बाहर करबो mole fraction n1 by n1 plus n2. This is the mole fraction of the solution. Value put करो Henry's law constant बाहर करो. This is the Henry's law. Next we will discuss about what are the limitation of Henry's law. Limitation what are the limitation? First limitation is the pressure is not too high. हम रखो तो Henry's law रे मोनोलिन गैस प्रेशर एक्सेस दे दो तो solubility very high, so it is not Henry's law it applicable only. Second, the temperature is not very high, and also temperature high करले solidity बढ़ जिवो, it is not Henry's law applicable only. And given temperature तुम कौन करियो इटे Henry's law applicable. Third point, the gas is only sparingly soluble. Another point, gas only sparingly solubility applicable Henry's law. The last limitation is the gas do not dissociate or associate. कौन बुझलो in case तमनर मन हो ammonia नबो ammonia plus water एडी तुम कोन हो ammonia plus H2O gas formation कोन हो ammonia water सहित कोन हो associate करियो formation हो ammonium hydroxide. ए केस रे तुम कोन हो Henry's law ओबे हो नहीं. Next associate, so dissociate HCl plus water नबो it dissociate हे जिवो H plus aqua Cl minus aqua. This is the associate and dissociate. A case रे तुमरो Henry's law हेबोनी. हम रखे point चारटा limitation मन रखो. First limitation, the pressure is not too high. The second is the temperature is not very high. Third, the gas is only sparingly soluble. The last point is the gas do not dissociate or associate. So it obeys to Henry's law. Next, application of Henry's law. application of Henry's law. First application it used for aerated drinks. Aerated drinks like soft drinks. तो जानी दो like aerated drinks तुम कौन था उचे carbon dioxide is dissolved to water, but the carbon dioxide not completely dissolved with water, so it can be high pressure, it can pack with the bottle. इसको कौन pressure high देते कौन होगा CO2 more soluble over water. The first application. Second application, the aquatic animals receive oxygen gas in water. कौन बुझ रहे थे मन रखो तुम aquatic animals like तुम receive oxygen gas कौन करते receive करते किंतु मन रख H2O नियो water तुम रेडी कौन है low temperature मन रखो तो solubility कौन low temperature रे solubility high temperature solubility कम એટલે oxygen gas तो तुम कौन हो more soluble over H2O, so easily aquatic animals कौन easily oxygen gas receive कर पाए. Third is the sea divers. Sea divers is avoid bends. What is the bends? Like sea divers, sea divers in contact with the surface. तुम surface आसे पैसे कौन करते किसी तो nitrogen gas plus oxygen gas use करते. In case suddenly ऊपर पड़ा से. In case कौन आवा से soluble तर high जो in case तो से formation में कौन आवा bends. Bends जो तुम्हें कौन आवा तो in case death भी पर. So ये bend को avoid करने पैसे क्या करते तो हम helium use कराते. High pressure देख helium देले कौन हो ता solubility कम ही जो. So ये effort टाइम इट ओरा apply होच. Clear तीन point मन रखो. Clear the complete the solubility. Next we will discuss about to vapor pressure. Next, vapor pressure. So now, what is vapor pressure? Starting in कोई discussion करेंगे. What is the evaporation? What is the evaporation? The spontaneous change from liquid to gas for the surface of the solution. Surface of the solution. This called is evaporation. The example नो देखो vessel लियो. It is one particle अच्छे. These particles is surface particles, surface molecules, and this is bulk molecules. On record, surface molecules are more kinetic energy, and the bulk molecules less kinetic energy. So evaporation code only surface molecules can be evaporated with the atmosphere କାହିଁକି due to more kinetic energy easily से कौन हो vaporize ହେଇଯିବ ले vapor pressure हम कहाँ बुझिबा the liquid form it changes to gases of the surface molecules is called is vapor pressure ले vapor pressure कहाँ होगा surface molecules in case the molecules A अछि vapor pressure कौन होगा P A bulk molecules के वैल्यू वेपोराइज हो गए काइनेटिक के तरह हाई है से भी वेपोराइज हो मन रखो व्हाट इज द वेपर प्रेशर इकोना spontaneous changes from liquid to gas for the surface of the solid surface of the molecule this called is vapor pressure next what are the factors of vapor pressure factors affecting of vapor pressure first factors it does not obey any size or shape मन रखो in case of vessel size shape different कर दो there is no affected of vapor pressure the second factor it depends upon the nature of solute and solvent डिपेंड कौन करियो सॉल्यूट और सॉल्वेंट मनोर मोडेलिटी H2O एंड इथेनॉल दीटा मॉलिक्यूल्स नेले वाटर मॉलिक्यूल नेले इथेनॉल नेले व्हिच इज मोर वेपर इथेनॉल इज मोर वेपर व्हाई एटी तुम देखो H2O मॉलिक्यूल्स तो कोन अछि हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग अछि H2O मॉलिक्यूल्स कोन फॉर्मेशन हबो हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग इथेनॉल को आल्सो हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग हो मात्र H2O molecules रे चारटा हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग करे एटी ओनली वन हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग फॉर्मेशन ले गोटे हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग फॉर्मेशन रे कोन हो द फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन इज वेरी लेस इट फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन वेरी हाई सो इथेनॉल इजीली वेपर प्रेशर इज ले कोन हो P C2H5 more vapor as compared to water molecules मन रखो एटा पॉइंट ए जहां तुम कोन करे फोर्स अट्रैक्शन वीक थिबो से इजीली वेपराइज हिजो तो लिख करियो वेपर प्रेशर इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द फोर्स ऑफ attraction inversely proportional to force of attraction next third factor theta factor मन रखो first factor size and shape second factor is nature of solute and solvent और मन रखो in case of boiling point more boiling point मन रखो अधिका अछि से इजीली कोन से हो वेपराइज हिजो Next, vapor pressure of the solution. Vapor pressure of the solution. Then, what is the solution? The solute and solvent माने तो सॉल्यूट हमरो दी प्रकार मिले एठी volatile and non-volatile solute. Volatile easily बोला है जो solvent तो सोचा तुम्हारा volatile मिलियो और solute two types मिलियो volatile solute non-volatile solute. Volatile means urea. Volatile हमारे next NaCl sugar is the volatile. Sorry. This is the non-volatile urea, sugar, NaCl. The volatile is H2O, ether, alcohol. This is the volatile solute. Volatile solute तुम्हारा vapor pressure कौन है ऐसे तुम्हारा not equal to 0. और non volatile solute रे the vapor pressure is equal to 0. और volatile तुम्हारा vapor pressure नहीं. So vapor pressure is equal to 0. मतलब it is not equal to 0. कहेंगे तुम्हारे it याद सुने any solution here etinelli mu a like tumalali volatile solute neli it can be see kona temperature le kona easily particles kon koridi vaporize jibo the solute particles the non volatile particles is dissolved to the any solvent so it kona hobo volatile. Next vapor pressure of the solution containing volatile solute. Vapor pressure of the solution containing volatile solute in case putting A and the B. Both are volatile. It is known as A particles present. This is the B particles present in the solution. It mixes with the A and B to form A B कौन परस्पर इंटरेक्शन लेके फिर कौन सॉल्यूशन तैयारी करेंगे सॉल्यूशन कौन से मिला नहीं R वेपर प्रेशर कौन होगा P not A. What is the P not A? The vapor pressure of pure liquid or pure solvent. Pure solvent रा वेपर प्रेशर होची P not A. अगर R वेपर प्रेशर कौन होगा P not B. मतलब एटी तो वेपर प्रेशर कौन आसबे एटी दीटा आसियो PA and PB किसी वैल्यू एटी चेंजिंग आसियो काहे कि तमर P ऐसे तो कौन गला इंटरेक्शन है कि एक सॉल्यूशन तैयारी गला वेपर प्रेशर किछि डिफर कर मन रखो R वेपर प्रेशर आसियो P नॉट इज फॉर प्योर लिक्विड और प्योर सॉल्वेंट and the PA is equal to vapor pressure of the solution A PB the vapor pressure of solution B substance. Hello agru jancho Henry's law the pressure of the directly proportional to the mole fraction of the solution. Hello partial pressure kete PA directly proportional to mole fraction XA. Similarly partial pressure of PB directly proportional to mole fraction of the P. Also PA is equal to P not A. This is the constant value, the constant multiplier class equal of partial pressure of A, vapor pressure of A. And the PB is equal to P not P that's P. Mandrago formula the vapor pressure of solution containing volatile solute the vapor pressure of the A is equal to the vapor pressure of pure liquid air into mole fraction of the air. Next discussion kariye kono vapor pressure of the solution containing non volatile solute. On rakho eta tomar hochi Raoult's law. This is the Raoult's law of vapor pressure of the solution containing volatile solute. The definition is according to Raoult's law, the vapor pressure of the solution is directly proportional to the mole fraction of the solution. Next, vapor pressure of the solution containing non-volatile solute. Non-volatile solute. Present लिखो, हमने देखा A. This is the A. This is the B. B the volatile होगा only volatile कोड हमारा वो A evaporation कोड वो only A. B the evaporation होगा ले interaction है कौन होगी A interaction होती B. नहीं એટલે આ વેપર પ્રેશર કોણ હોય PA but PP કેતો હવો is equal to 0 due to this is the non volatile solute, it cannot be vaporized, so vapor pressure only for to A and PP is equal to 0. यार वेपर प्रेशर कोण हबो P not A कुछ जिंस मन रखो एडे P not A and PA मन रखो सब P not A always high. वेपर प्रेशर कार अधिक रहबो सब बळे तमर कोन प्योर सॉल्वेंट रो वेपर प्रेशर हाई एंड द सॉल्यूशन रो वेपर प्रेशर सब बळे लेस ड्यू टू कोन पे एड अछि मतलब B इस तो कोन होछि इंटरेक्शन होछि त इंटरेक्शन हेल कोन हबो त वेपर प्रेशर डिक्रीज होछि जते तुम कंसंट्रेशन हाई करबो वेपर प्रेशर डिक्रीजेस एंड द प्योर सॉल्वेंट सब बळे वेपर प्रेशर हाई. फॉर एग्जांपल H2O 100 degree Celsius. So H2O vapor pressure सेठी NaCl पके दियो vapor pressure कोन हबो डिक्रीजेस होइछ. According to Raoult's law, the vapor pressure of the solution containing non-volatile solute is directly proportional to the mole fraction of the solution. Mole fraction of the solution. Mathematically, PA is directly proportional to mole fraction of the solution. X solution solvent and the PA is equal to the P not A X rate. Clear? The PA is equal to the vapor pressure of the solution. P naught is equal to the vapor pressure of pure liquid. the x is equal to mole fraction of a solvent. मन रखो x होची mole fraction of solvent, xb is equal to mole fraction of the solute. Next देखो equation P A P naught A is equal to XA. P naught A पर थोड़ी पढ़ाई नेक्स्ट बोथ साइड कौन करो 1 सब्ट्रैक्ट करो P A divided by P naught is equal to 1 minus XA. Yes, last class में कोई थी the mole fraction of the solvent, mole fraction of the solute is equal to 1. What is that? XA is equal to 1 minus XB. 1 XB is equal to 1 minus XA. So its pocket derivative 1 minus XA is equal to XB. This is the P naught A minus PA is equal to P naught A is equal to XB. What is the XB? Mole fraction of the solute. Diagram कौन देखे लो? The vapor pressure is directly proportional to the mole fraction of the solvent. Ready? P naught A minus PA divided P naught is equal to mole fraction of the solute. This is called relative lowering vapor pressure. Relative lowering vapor pressure. So according to Raoult's law, the relative lowering in vapor pressure is directly equal to mole fraction of the solute. Clear? This is the relative lowering vapor pressure is equal to mole fraction of the solutes. And the P naught A minus PA is equal to lowering in vapor pressure. Lowering vapor pressure कौन होगा? The lowering in vapor pressure is directly proportional to the mole fraction of the solute. Clear? Next, P naught A minus PA divided by P naught A. हम XP से रेट कौन पकड़ रहे हैं? N1 N2 divided by N1 plus N2. What is the N2? Number of moles of solute. N1 is equal to number of moles of solvent. N2 divided by N1 plus N2. One rocket formula. P naught A, the relative lower vapor pressure, is equal to mole fraction N2 by N1 plus N2. What is the numerical ratio of vapor pressure of pure liquid mention कर दियो, number of moles दे दियो, तो बाहर का क्या करेगा? Vapor pressure of the solution बाहर करेगा. तो numerical हो जी. solution of sucrose with molecular mass 342 is prepared by dissolving 68.4 gram in 100 gram of water. The vapor pressure of water is 0.23 mm. This question is the solution of sucrose is prepared by dissolving 68.4 gram of in 100 gram of water. 1000 gram of water, vapor pressure of H2 is equal to H. What is the vapor pressure of this solution? Next, given that 68.4 gram, the amount of solute is equal to 68.4 gram, solvent is equal to 1000 gram. Next, account is P naught A. Water is a pure liquid. The vapor pressure of pure liquid is equal to 0.3 mmHg. So we know that P naught A minus PA is equal to P naught A divided by N1 by N1 plus N2. So N1 can बाहर करो. N1 is equal to W by molecular mass. W केता अच्छे, solute केता अच्छे. It N1 टा मुझे अच्छे number of moles of the solute. N2 is equal to number of moles of the solvent. So W by M is the amount of solute divided by molecular mass of solute. 68.4 divided by molecular mass 342. This is the N1 and the N2 is the solvent 1000 gram divided by solvent water divided by 80. This is the number of moles of the solvent. Value put karo. P naught A is equal to 0.3 minus PA divided by 0.3 is equal to N1 is equal to 68.4 divided by 68.4 342 and 342 plus 1000 by इट तुम कौन करियो पी ए वैल्यू by calculation करो पी ए वैल्यू इज इक्वल टू simple numerical clear numerical मन रखो फॉर्मूला मन रखो P naught A minus PA divided by P naught A is equal to N1 by N1 plus N2. Clear? So stop my classes and the next class I will discuss about two ideal solution, non-ideal solution. Next, the most important chapter of the solution like colligative properties. So next class I will discuss colligative properties, ideal solution and non-ideal solution. Thank you.